Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include power front seats, a tachometer, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power liftgate, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.